Homebase is a management software that is used to make schedules, assign shifts, request time off, and timesheets for payroll. I'm going to show you the first few steps to create a schedule for an employee. First, put your mouse over the block of the day and the employee you wish to begin making a schedule for. Then click Add and a pop-up window will appear. Then select the time you wish to assign to the employee. For this example, I'm going to select 8 to 4. Once you've selected the times, you then go to the next box and select the shift role you wish to assign to the employee. For this example, I'm going to select training. Then you will select a color for the shift for the employee. This will distinguish different employee shifts from another. For this example, I'm going to select purple. Then you will select the days of the week you wish to assign this certain time to the employee. For this example, I'm going to select Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Then click Add. The days you've assigned the employee to work 8 to 4 will appear on the schedule sheet.